The K30 drone is a professional-grade GPS drone that combines cutting-edge technology with advanced features for stunning aerial photography and smooth flying experiences. Equipped with an 8K HD dual camera system, laser obstacle avoidance, and 5G Wi-Fi, the K30 drone ensures crystal-clear video quality and safe flight in any environment. Whether you're capturing cinematic shots, exploring the outdoors, or practicing aerial maneuvers, this brushless motor drone is designed to deliver long-lasting performance and stability. With optical flow positioning for indoor stability and GPS navigation for outdoor precision, the K30 drone offers enhanced control, even in challenging environments. Features like one-click return, headless mode, and multi-point cruising ensure user-friendly operation for beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts alike. Plus, the large-screen remote control offers a seamless flying experience with intuitive controls and live video feed. Key features of the K30 drone: 8K HD dual cameras capture high-resolution photos and videos with dual 8K cameras, perfect for cinematic filming and professional photography. GPS and optical flow positioning, equipped with GPS positioning for outdoor stability and optical flow positioning for smooth indoor flight. Laser obstacle avoidance. Laser obstacle avoidance ensures a safe flying experience, detecting and avoiding obstacles in the drone's path. 25-minute flight time. Powered by a 7.4V 3000 mAh battery, enjoy up to 25 minutes of flight on a single charge. 5G Wi-Fi, real-time HD video streaming with 5G Wi-Fi, allowing for smooth control and live footage transmission. Foldable design. The compact, foldable design makes the K30 drone easy to carry, perfect for travel and on-the-go adventures. Multi-lens and zoom function. Switch between lenses for different perspectives and zoom in for detailed shots with the lens zoom function. Smart remote control. The LCD screen remote control features a user-friendly interface with one-click return, headless mode, and gesture control for easy operation. Specifications: camera, 8K HD dual cameras for stunning aerial shots and videos. Battery, 7.4V 3000 mAh, up to 25 minutes of flight time. Charging time, approximately 180 minutes. Remote control battery, 3.7V 300 mAh. Flight distance, 300 meters. Electronic fence, up to 1000 meters. Weight, lightweight and foldable design for portability. Motor, brushless motor for smooth and stable flight. Wi-Fi, 5G connection for fast image transmission. The K30 drone is the perfect tool for exploring the skies and capturing stunning visuals. With 8K camera resolution, GPS positioning, laser obstacle avoidance, and intuitive controls, this drone offers professional quality performance at an affordable price. Whether you're a photographer, adventurer, or just love flying drones, the K30 drone provides everything you need for an amazing flying experience. Perfect for aerial photographers and filmmakers looking for high-quality video and photos. Drone enthusiasts who enjoy smart flying features like gesture control and obstacle avoidance. Outdoor explorers who want a lightweight and foldable drone with long-lasting battery life. Fly smarter with the K30 drone, your ultimate solution for professional drone photography and exciting adventures. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.